Welcome, and follow me is a Motorola One Vision, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts app, the standalone version of it. So as you can see, it's right here for me. Tap on it. Just disregard signing in for now. So once it's open, you want to tap on the three bars right here. Go into the settings. And in here you will find import or export at the bottom, both of them. Now if you don't have any contacts, well, it will not give you the export option, but we're interested in importing anyway, so let's select that and then select from SIM card, tap on OK, and it should provide us with all the contacts that are located on the SIM card once it actually reads it. So there we go. Those are all the contacts that are on the SIM card, and as you can see, they're all selected by default, so you can deselect the ones that you might, for instance, not want by just tapping on it. And once you're satisfied with all the contacts that are selected, tap on the check mark right here, and you can see 4 SIM contacts imported, and if you go back, there should be visible right over here. So that is how you would import SIM contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.